Hi there, it's Tanya from Tatty Treasures. Hello and welcome back. So this is going to be the flip through of the two ring bound journals that I've made. I did this one off camera and I did a step-by-step tutorial on this one. I didn't make any of the pieces inside. By that I mean these kinds of pieces. I didn't, make that actual cluster, but I have got a playlist for all the pieces that I didn't make on camera, and I will make sure that that's in the description. And I do believe that it's in this description. Did I say subscription? Oh my goodness, the description for all the videos in the tutorial. They're definitely up on the Facebook group as well. So shall we, which one? I'll do this one because it's I don't know, because I'm gonna have to put that side anyway. So these are some beautiful kits from Paper Cameo, and they're her botanical papers. I'm just going to take the camera out just a little bit. Don't know if I'm going to be best sitting or standing. I'm standing at the minute, but oh no, that's way too wide. Okay. So yes, the kits from the Paper Cameo. I will put Nicola's shop details in the description also. They are called Botanica. One's a sepia and the other's just Botanica, and I've also used some of her tea stained lace papers. Okay, so the cover is from the kit, and I've extended all the pages with this lovely olive linen coloured card, and it's got some nice eyelets on there. Just got a bit of trim here, and we've got the Boho Bead, which I do have a video on. So let's have a look at the side. It is, I don't know if it actually needs bigger rings or not, but these are the biggest that I've got. I did have two sizes. I originally thought they'd be fine on the other size, but I had to go up to these ones, and these are the biggest ones that I've got. So that's kind of the side view. So we'll open it up. So we've got a pocket from the kit there, and I've put some of that lovely trim. This is like an upholstery trim, what you would get around like sofas and things like that. It's backed with that lovely lace paper, and I've just done a tag with the lace paper. It's backed on manila card, and this is a fabric cluster with this dangle, which again I've got a video for. I've just put some collage around the back. It's a very large tag. See, that lives there. Then we've got this piece. This doesn't come out at all. I've sewn it across the top. It was more a decorative piece. We've got this side page tab. Again, I've got a video for it. And then this little dangle here, and it's just got a little Tim Holtz number stamp on it. And then we've got a label by Tracy Fox. Then at the back, we've got a pocket. And this is fabrics stuck onto craft card, and it's some lovely sari from Cheryl, who was Olive's Originals, and I just cannot remember the shop name, but I will put it in the description. And then we've just got two postcard type journal cards in that pocket there. And then we've got this here. See, this wines. These tags are plain. I've just left them plain. Got a little bit of Tim Holtz tape here, and one of the Tim Holtz snippets from Field Notes, and a Tracy Fox label. This is one of the clusters that I've made, and there was a video on those. And then again, we've got a a journal card here, which really does come out, and it's not hard at all. But so that's there. Okay, so I didn't decorate them. One, because there's not a lot of room in here, so I wanted to keep them pretty flat, and the lace paper's lovely anyway, so I thought it'd be nice. So this flips open, and we've got a little pocket here. This pocket I made in the DD Farago challenge. It's just got a little pocket, and I've just put a little sticker in there, and that's some straw paper from Julie's shop. So that's that. Again, I will put the tutorial to the pocket in the description. I'm not going to say that anymore. I will just say there's a video on it, because yeah, got a pocket. This is using Tim Holtz packaging. There's a video. There's also a video for these book plates, and a tag here with this lovely word tag, also a video. So that's the background. Okay, and then on the other side we've got it was a really long envelope, and it flips up. I've just stenciled it. That's from Tina Shabby Dabby Doodah. I've just got 2 journal cards there, and this is just a collage one that I've made. There's a video. So we'll just do that up. Oh, come on. And it flips up, and we've just got a cluster there. Some Tim Holtz tape. And then these ferns, they're real ferns from a nice walk that I had. Or I think I picked that one, and I think that's one that Joanna sent me, who is Off the Grid Journals. So we've got some journaling space there, and that's from the kit. So that goes like that. I've just made a little tab, and that's using the little embossing machine that Julie sent me. I love it. So we've got a little file piece here. Got a nice cluster. There's a video, and flip it over. There's little envelope what I've made with 6x6 paper. I've not sealed it up because I thought you could either use it as an envelope, stick it up, or you could put some paper in, and it could be a journal spot. So I've just left it like so. And so that's a pocket at the back, and then there's a pocket here with another tag, a journal card, and that's not from the kit, and I can't think where it's from, I'm sorry. So that's that. And then this is the first kind of journal. It's got a journal card from a book, which there's a video, and that's just clipped on with this altered paperclip. Yeah, well, paperclip dangle. There's a video. So I'll just put those to one side, and it's just tied with some string, and it goes all the way round. Obviously this would be better taking it out and undoing it, and it's just got 5 sheets of tea stain paper, and it's just been sewn in with this string. So yeah, you can do it like that. I thought it to be a bit difficulter than that, but yes, it's obviously meant for taking it out and unsewing it. Did try to use magnets, but they wasn't strong enough. I don't know if it's my magnets or just small magnets aren't very strong. But yeah, with going through one piece of card and another card, it just wouldn't do it. So that's that, and then the journal card lives there, and it's just clipped on with this paper clip. I'll just pause. So we've got another file folder here. This, I called it like a notebook topper. I'd made them with a view of, you know, sticking them on the front of a notebook. So this is a leaf from a walk that I've been on, and yeah, it's just back with some material and material. So that's that. Again, we've got the envelope, and we've got another one of those journal cards. Another journal, exactly the same, 5 sheets in it, which makes 20 sides, and we've got another paperclip there, and one of the journal cards there, another file, and yeah, one of the clusters, and again an envelope and a journal card. And then the third journal is here with another paperclip. I've put the longest one on the top so it falls nice. And we've got another journal card there. Another one of those photo pieces with a tab, and another one of the number discs. And another pocket with 2 journal cards. And then at the back we've got another one of these with a journal card in both. And then this cute little paper bag pocket. I so love those. Did that in the DD Farrago challenge, and it will be in the description. And then on the back we've got again the pocket. There's another collage card inside. Oh, actually, I don't know if that could be a fib. No, there isn't. There's 2 of those, which again, there's a video for those. So they live in there. Yeah, I couldn't, none of the other journal cards that I've done actually fit in there. I can remember now. That lifts up. Got another cluster, and we've got this one. I think this was a DD Farrago pocket, so it flips out, and got another with a press fern, and this opens out so you've got more writing space, or you can use it in another project and use it as a flip. So that's that, and there's some stenciling on there. So that goes down, and then we've got the back pocket, which again we've got a jumbo card with this lovely cluster at the top. So that is that one. She's absolutely beautiful, isn't she? So I'll put that there. And then this one is the one that I made off camera. I did show it a bit in the tutorial. So this one, we've got a brown boho bead, and we've got some brown card. On here, I did the embossing. I did it with the bark folder that I've got. I've got some trim here, and I've just put some bits of bronze paint on, because I did put bronze paint all around the sides. You can't even see it, so yeah, I probably wouldn't bother doing that again. I'd have been best just running my finger round after the papers was on instead of doing it before, but I did think you would get to see it, but you can't. But I know it's there. So we've got the big pocket and some beautiful trim there. Got a cluster, one of the photo pieces, and one of the tabs. Got 2 tags, journal cards are there. This is a flippy one. Both of those are plain, and we've got the DD pocket there. Sorry, didn't realise I was going that wide. Another one of the Tim Holtz packaging pockets, and another tag with a word. Well, it says journal, and a little dangle, and then that's paper behind it. See, that's that. That's Tim Holtz washi. And this one, I don't know what's in here. 2 of they're Tracy Fox specimens. They was blank, and then I just put the extra labels on and a sticker. So that's those. And then just 2 little journal cards from the kit. So that flips up. We've got a nice cluster there, and then we've got the ferns here, and that flips out. This one I've stuck down and I've put 2 journal cards from Pink Monarch Prints, so you can journal on this or you could collage over it. Got another file folder with one of the clusters. Got the envelope with the journal cards, exactly what they're from the same pack. These journals, again, these have got 20 sides, and we've got the paper clip there and a journal card here. Another file folder that's got a fern on it. Again, we've got the envelope and the journal card inside. Another journal with a paper clip and another collage tag. Third one. Okay, and then a third book. So that's that. And we've got another card there. Then we've got another window with a tab in and a little number plate. Everything's been sewn around. We've got again the fabric pocket. This is a envelope that's from, I think it's from, I don't know if it's from the Nature's Remedy. I feel like it's Tracy Fox. Yeah, it's Tracy Fox. And a card from the kit, some stenciling. Oh, I've not decorated that. Oh my goodness. So there will be, I can't believe I forgot that. There will be a cluster there and then two cards there. That will be blank. That flips out. I've got another fern. So that goes there. Let's leave it open at that page to remind myself tomorrow. Let's have a look what's in here. Oh, this is a collaged one, so that's that. And we've got 2 journal cards from the kit. That goes up. We've got a cluster there and one of the bags here. I love how they move. And then the back pocket, again, we've got the trim, jumbo card, and then one of the fabric clusters with the dangle on there. So that is those 2. They will be up on Etsy later today. I will make sure that that's done. So thank you to everybody for watching this series, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.